few years ago, we were using chloroquine to treat malaria, but we can no longer use it simply because it works normal. And this is because the organism that causes malaria stopped responding to that very drug. Antimicrobial resistance occurs when organisms that cause diseases change the structure of their genetic material. This can happen naturally, but also it can occur or it can be facilitated by many other factors or reasons. One of them is self-medication. Self-medication promotes misuse and irrational use of drugs. The rational use or misuse can be via underdose or overdose. And when this happens, it makes the organisms change because they are either not being given enough of the concentration of the drug, or you are giving too much, and all that has effects. And eventually these organisms are going to multiply and keep in bodies, and they're going to be spread. Therefore, we encourage people to make sure that they get prescriptions from health workers every time they're about to buy or use drugs, because then you have information in terms of the dose. The health worker is going to prescribe for you the right dosage and for the right duration, which you may not do in your own knowledge as a lay person or someone who has not had training in medical practice or usage of drugs, or even as a pharmacist. So we encourage everyone, we call upon everyone to make sure that they do not self-medicate when they fall sick. They make sure that they visit a health facility and they get a prescription after a diagnosis, and then they can take the drugs and use them appropriately or rationally.